Okay, we're gonna do this one. We're just gonna kind of stroll around. So it's a really beautiful balcony up there. You can see how beautiful that is. And we're just gonna kind of stroll around and kind of talk about this neighborhood a little bit. So I'm doing some videos around this area tonight, so I kind of want to keep on working, doing a few more. So let's keep on doing that. We'll be back in a minute. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are. So we're gonna film a little bit in this area. It's nighttime. It's a Tuesday night. It's a weekday, but you can kind of see what this looks like at nighttime. Really cool Japanese restaurant right there. And we're going to stroll through beautiful yellow building with a balcony, and we're just gonna walk around and see what we can see. But yeah, I like that building a lot. It's really beautiful. Oh, cool buildings. So I think we're just gonna walk towards that maybe towards that 7-Eleven. Just kind of see what we can see around here. It's like a dim sum restaurant. Princess House, Manning's. I don't know if you can see some of the balconies at nighttime, but they're kind of cool too. Yeah, I don't really come up here that often because this is kind of in the northern part of Macau, but I like it. Whenever I'm here, I like it because of all the density. So you just have so much density. This little place on the corner is called Eskimo, and you can see a coffee shop up above as well, which is kind of cool to see at nighttime too. That's a cool looking car. So yeah, that's called Eskimo right there. So nice coffee shop. Let's see what else you can see. Everything is nothing. It says everything is nothing on it. Kind of cool looking pink car. Over here is a little park. We're just gonna stroll through. Sundays you'll see a lot of domestic helpers on their day off just kind of hanging around. And today it looks like you have more older people and just kind of hanging out here. So it looks like they're playing mahjong. Let's see. Yeah, there. Let's just kind of keep strolling through here. Public bathrooms. Some park benches. And then I guess they're doing some kind of construction, but you can see some apartments up in here. And we're just kind of strolling around, so here's our public buses that go by. Looks a little bit empty. It is a little bit late. It's like nighttime here. Okay, let's just keep on strolling around. I think we're gonna try to get across right here. Taiwan fruit tea. Okay, let's just keep on strolling around. Another bus. Looks like everybody's getting a seat on that bus. Okay, so there's another supermarket over there. I think this is a Korean one. Yeah, they got kimbap. It's called uli. Uli. It's like a little takeout Korean one. Okay, so we're still, let's just kind of see where we came from. Let's see the, if I focus on them, you can see the apartments as well, kind of a cage style. And up there you can see these circular balconies. I think you can see them. There's a kitchen right there. The koi. Okay. So this is Three Lanterns District. So we filmed up here a little while ago. There's kind of a marketplace up there. And then over here there's a Comidas. Comidas is like food or restaurant. Let's just see. And we're just kind of stroll around a little bit more. And then we're gonna call it the end of a video pretty soon. That one is a, it's called Indomart, Indonesia, kind of in Philippines. Let's see, prepaid cards and money exchange. And they also sell used jewelry, pawn shop. Another Japanese place over there. You can see some of the apartments as well. Okay, so we walked here in another video, but I think it's maybe interesting. It's nighttime, but at least you kind of get an idea of all the different stuff around here. So let's just see. Gonna go into a slightly different direction here. Okay, let's just see. Let's see. Wish I could cross the street here. Well, anyways, this is very residential, a lot of tall buildings. And I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna meander into this little plaza thing. And this might be the last video that we do, but at least you kind of have a, you know, something a little bit different in mind for what Macau is all about, because like anybody in any city, you know, we kind of have our habits of where we go most of the time, and but there's all kinds of other areas too. So so now you kind of get an idea. Okay. It's kind of cool. So I think we started this one in this yellow building, I believe, and kind of meandered around. So maybe we'll go to the street sign and we'll just kind of label it with whatever street we see over there. Let's see if I can get across here. There it is, right there. Estrada de Coyo do Amaral. So that's kind of where we're at right here. So you can kind of see the density of this whole area of all these different apartments. And okay. And kind of Hungry Ghost, so they have lots of these kind of shrines too. Okay. So I guess we'll end it right there.